Hi there, Colleen Adrian here. Today, I just want to share with you a question that you can ask yourself as you reflect on conflict in your parenting and use it to help gain a little bit more insight. I think conflict is hard for everyone. It's certainly hard for me. That's what I hear from other parents. And for most of us, it feels uncomfortable or painful in some way. It tends to take a lot of energy. Sometimes we say or do things we regret. It's just hard, right? And at least some of the time, I think, we wish it could be easier. I totally get that. So recently, I've been pondering this idea that when conflict arises, something wants to work itself out. And that something might be something inside of ourselves. It might be something in our children that's showing up that wants to be worked out, or it might be something in the relationship. And that's especially when there's a repeating pattern, right? So something that you kind of get into the same, conflict or argument over and over again. So the question is, what wants to work itself out, right? If you reflect on that, what's showing up for learning? It would be another way of wording it, or what wants to be seen and understood a little bit more deeply. Again, either about yourself, your child, or the relationship itself. So I'm not saying that'll necessarily make it easier. However, for me, it's an inquiry that sometimes brings new awarenesses. And then from that place, sometimes you can interrupt the pattern. So give it a try and let me know how it goes. Thanks for listening.